you all doing? I hope you all are safe and at home and taking care of yourself. So guys, I had come up with another video and I'll be doing a makeup series this time. It would be based upon different types of looks using just one eyeshadow palette. Look is the smoky eyeshadow look using the Huda Beauty Nude palette. And before starting it, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss my future updates. I'm gonna start by doing my eyebrows, and for that I'm gonna use this brow pomade from Benefit Cosmetics. And before, I'm gonna start by brushing my hair using a spoolie so that they are in proper place. And now I'm gonna fill it in and I'm gonna do it roughly. You can see guys that my eyebrows are not tamed, and I'm not gonna tame it now because I think I love them like the way they are, and I'm not gonna tame it. Also guys, do not forget to check out my Instagram handle and please do not give it a miss because I also post amazing content over there. And do follow me there if you guys like it and show me your love. I'm gonna use this Louise base, and it is in the shade Rumour 02. It is a universal shade and I use it on my lids and to tame my brows because it makes my eyeshadow pop more. It makes it look more prominent and also makes it stay for a long time. Shade, I'm gonna use the shade Tickle, which is a very light shade, and I'm gonna start with my crease and I'm gonna blend it very well. Next, I'm taking the shade Spanked, which is a darker shade, and I'm gonna do it again on my creases, and I'm gonna blend both of the eyeshadows very well so that they look seamless. Now I'm using the shade The Love Bite, which is the darkest shade in my eyeshadow look, and I'm gonna go it again on my crease. And I'm not holding my brush tightly because otherwise they won't be able to blend much, and I do not want sharp and hard lines. I want this look to look very smoky and seamless. So guys, hold your brush really lightly with your light hands, not hardly. Now I'm using a fluffy brush to blend all the eyeshadows all together so there are no sharp lines between any of the eyeshadow looks, and it looks really nice and seamless. Now I'm using the shade Love Bite again on my lids using a flat fluffy brush, and then I'm gonna blend the eyeshadow which is already there on my crease so that this looks really smoky. Guys, to get a perfect smoky look, you need to blend your eyeshadow till then you are not satisfied with it. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the shade Spanked, and I'm gonna use a fluffy small definer brush to do it. And I'm gonna take in some Love Bite and I'm gonna take it towards the lower lash line, very close to my lower lash line actually. And I'm gonna blend both of them using a fluffy brush so that this look looks really seamless and smoky. Now I'm gonna apply some liquid highlighter from Nykaa Cosmetics on my high points like my corners and my brow bone. Now just grab your mascara and put it over your upper and lower eyelashes. So guys, the best thing about the Huda Beauty palettes is that they are highly pigmented and they are so buttery soft that they glides so perfectly on your eyes and it makes the look so good. Guys, now with my Colorbar eyelashes, the look is totally complete. And guys, let me tell you, these are my favorite lashes. They're affordable, they are easy to use, they come with the glue as well. With this guys, the look is complete. Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Until next time guys, see you soon. Bye bye.